Ever wondered who bridges the gap between pharmaceutical companies and healthcare professionals? Let's introduce the Medical Science Liaison, or MSL, a pivotal role in the healthcare industry. These are field-based medical professionals who serve as the crucial link between the company they represent and healthcare professionals, such as physicians, pharmacists, and researchers. They build strong, trust-based relationships, providing medical information and offering educational support about the company's products. They're the company's product experts, their knowledge helping healthcare professionals make informed decisions about treatment options. Beyond that, MSLs play a vital role in gathering feedback, engaging in clinical research, and connecting with key opinion leaders in the medical community. In essence, they're the conduits of communication, ensuring the safe and effective use of medical products. Indeed, MSLs are vital in maintaining the dialogue between pharmaceutical companies and the medical community. Building trust-based relationships is the first step in an MSL's daily routine. As field-based medical professionals, MSLs are continually meeting with physicians, pharmacists, and researchers. They are not just sharing information. They are also listening, understanding, and building bridges of trust. These relationships are not built overnight. They require time, consistency, and genuine interest in the healthcare professional's work. At the heart of these relationships is a two-way channel of communication. MSLs provide healthcare professionals with valuable scientific and medical information about their company's products. On the other hand, they receive critical feedback and insights from the medical community. This exchange of knowledge and insights is vital in the dynamic world of healthcare, where new information and research findings are constantly emerging. So, strong professional relationships form the backbone of an MSL's role. They enable an open dialogue that benefits both the company and the healthcare professionals, ultimately leading to better patient care. Being experts on their company's products, MSLs are the go-to source for scientific and medical information. Imagine you're a healthcare professional, and you've got a question about the latest drug, therapy, or medical device from a particular company. Who do you turn to? That's right, the Medical Science Liaison, or MSL. They are the conduit for the latest scientific and medical information about the company's products. What kind of information are we talking about? Well, they can provide data from clinical trials, insights into the mechanisms of action of a drug or device, safety information, and even information about potential off-label uses. They are essentially walking encyclopedias of their company's products. But it's not just about giving out information. MSLs help to contextualize this information for healthcare professionals. They explain the science behind the product, how it works, what its potential benefits and risks are, and how it compares to other treatments on the market. This helps healthcare professionals understand the full picture, making it easier for them to make informed decisions about treatment options. MSLs also play a pivotal role in disseminating new information. When a company has new data about a product, whether it's from a recent clinical trial or some other research, the MSL is often the one who communicates this to healthcare professionals. And they don't just deliver this information in a vacuum. They listen, engage in discussions, and answer questions. They make sure healthcare professionals understand the information and can apply it in their practice. In essence, MSLs are like the bridge connecting the science behind a product and the healthcare professionals who will use that product to treat their patients. They ensure that the science is not just understood, but is used in the right context for the right patient at the right time. MSLs are not just providers of information, but partners in healthcare. They help healthcare professionals navigate the complex world of medical science, ensuring they have the most accurate, up-to-date information at their fingertips. Ensuring healthcare professionals have all the necessary information, MSLs help in making informed decisions about treatment options. The role of an MSL is not just informative, but also educational. A significant part of their job involves sharing knowledge with healthcare professionals. This might take the form of presentations, seminars, or one-on-one discussions. Picture an MSL standing at the front of a room, engaging in a lively exchange of ideas, explaining the science behind a new drug or therapy. They delve into the mechanisms of action, the clinical data, the potential impacts and benefits. But it's not a one-way street. An MSL also encourages questions, fostering a dialogue that deepens understanding. They break down complex scientific concepts into digestible information, ensuring that healthcare professionals can grasp the intricacies of the products they will use or prescribe. This educational support is not just about spreading knowledge, it's about building confidence, trust, and ultimately, patient safety. Through educational support, MSLs ensure products are used safely and effectively. Feedback is crucial, and MSLs play a key part in collecting it. In the dynamic world of medical science where new breakthroughs are made every day, it's essential to keep a finger on the pulse of what's happening in the field. Medical science liaisons are the eyes and ears of their companies, out there in the field, collecting valuable insights from healthcare professionals. They gather feedback about the company's products, hearing firsthand about the experiences of those who use them. This could be a physician sharing how a medication is impacting their patients, or a researcher discussing their observations about a medical device. The MSLs listen, document, and relay this information back to their company. The feedback collected is not always about product performance or efficacy. Sometimes it's about the challenges faced by healthcare professionals in administering the treatment, or the difficulties patients might encounter while using a medical device. This feedback is invaluable as it highlights areas of improvement that may not be apparent from clinical trials or lab tests. Moreover, MSLs also collect feedback on the broader therapeutic area, capturing insights about unmet medical needs, treatment trends, and emerging therapies. This information helps their companies stay ahead of the curve and respond to changing medical needs. But feedback gathering is not a one-time event. It's a continuous process that helps companies refine their products and make them better with each iteration. So it's not just about hearing, it's about learning and improving. Indeed, feedback is a crucial part of product development and improvement. Scene script. MSLs are also actively involved in clinical development and research. In the heart of the medical world, where innovation and progress are key, MSLs play a pivotal role. They collaborate with healthcare professionals in research projects, clinical trials, and studies, serving as a bridge between the corporate world and the medical community. Imagine a new drug in development. The journey from a promising compound in the lab to a medicine in the market is a long and complex one. MSLs are instrumental in this process. They help identify suitable candidates for clinical trials and provide insights into study design and execution. They ensure that the trials are not just scientifically sound, but also ethically conducted and patient-centric. In addition, MSLs contribute to the design of research projects and studies, bringing a unique perspective that combines scientific rigor with practical applicability. They ensure that the research aligns with the company's strategic goals while also addressing the needs and concerns of the medical community. Furthermore, MSLs facilitate the exchange of scientific information between the company and healthcare professionals involved in these trials and studies. They ensure that the data generated is interpreted correctly and communicated effectively, helping to advance our understanding of diseases and potential treatments. In essence, MSLs act as a catalyst for scientific innovation. They foster collaboration and drive research forward, helping to bring new and effective treatments to patients who need them. Through active involvement in research, MSLs help drive scientific innovation. Engaging with key opinion leaders is another important aspect of an MSL's role. These key opinion leaders, or KOLs, are influential healthcare professionals who are highly respected in their fields. Their endorsements, ideas, and insights can significantly impact the perception and adoption of a company's products. MSLs work diligently to identify these thought leaders. They might be leading researchers, prominent clinicians, or healthcare professionals who are especially well regarded by their peers. Once identified, MSLs engage with these KOLs, seeking to build strong collaborative relationships. These relationships are not one-sided. MSLs provide KOLs with the latest scientific information and clinical trial data about their company's products. In return, they gain valuable insights and feedback from these thought leaders. This exchange of information helps to foster a mutual understanding and respect between the company and the medical community. By engaging with thought leaders, MSLs help shape the perception of their company's products. Their work with KOLs is integral to promoting the safe and effective use of their company's offerings within the healthcare industry. In the fast-paced world of healthcare, staying up to date is key. Medical Science Liaisons, or MSLs, are the torchbearers of this principle. They are the eyes and ears in the field, constantly gathering crucial market intelligence. This involves keeping a close watch on the ever-evolving landscape of medicine, tracking new research, emerging trends, and breakthrough innovations. But their work doesn't stop at just monitoring their own industry. MSLs also keep a keen eye on what their competitors are up to. Understanding the activities of rival companies, their product pipelines, and the strategies they're using allows MSLs to help their own company stay ahead of the curve. This constant influx of information is invaluable. It shapes strategy, informs decision-making, and can even influence the direction of new research and development. Armed with market intelligence, MSLs keep their companies at the forefront of the industry. As we've seen, MSLs play a crucial role in the healthcare industry. They build vital relationships, disseminate scientific and medical information, offer educational support, and gather crucial feedback. Their involvement in clinical development, research, and thought leader engagement is invaluable. They keep a finger on the pulse of market intelligence, ensuring the company stays competitive. In bridging the gap between pharmaceutical companies and healthcare professionals, MSLs ensure the effective and safe use of medical products.